listening to NOAA Weather Radio, All Hazards, station KEC95. This transmitter serves the upper northeast coast of South Carolina at a frequency of 162.400 MHz from Aner, South Carolina. For detailed weather information for your location, including extended forecasts and additional observations, visit the National Weather Service Wilmington's website at www.weather.gov/ILM. The warning alarm feature of the NOAA Weather Radio, All Hazards, will be activated for test purposes this morning between 11 a.m. and noon. This test is conducted every Wednesday morning unless there is a threat of severe weather. In that case, the test will occur on the next good weather day. This is NOAA's National Weather Service in Wilmington, North Carolina. The preceding signal was a test of the weather radio station, KEC95 public warning system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers can be automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal and receiver performance are normally conducted between the hours of 11 and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test will be postponed to the following Wednesday. To provide the most consistent and dependable warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties in northeast South Carolina: Dillon, Florence, Georgetown, Horry, Marion, and Williamsburg, and in southeast North Carolina, Brunswick and Columbus. This has been a test of the NOAA Weather Radio public warning alarm system. We now return you to the normal program schedule. Here are the 10 a.m. observations. In Myrtle Beach, it was sunny. The temperature was 40.